Malungil silmer kami roku yang ang klaka wilaw ngironggoy ako manlong South tune in at TMC. May kagid ako pebir announcement temlos eto del alsils. Makotel announcement ta said 2022 promotional schedule for central schools. Ako elementary school lang anya promotion ngi ra Wednesday and May 18 ra 5 o'clock 5 p.m. A promotional ceremony di morning ra Coral Elementary School. A graduation na pala high school ang morning ra Thursday ra Palau National Gym at 9 o'clock in the morning. LL Week, a police week. It's a National Police Week. EMS, Emergency Medical Services Week. At sumo ko Mr. Bulis, Mar EMS, please honk your horn or say hi. Arabra bla bulis sa mumra like albek kalhang masel ko rablimi wen ngania karmiu marokul to ko emauta nga logger and then they can do their best and answer questions sa kamiu. A Ministry of Health and Human Services au kotob their weekly schedule for COVID testing and clinic. Lomo ra May 16 and May 22. Ilan May 17 on Tuesday ang mlaringi COVID testing ra Palau National Hospital. Ang mlaringi ra 8 torin mo 11 dori for travelers maratra blue. Akluko kol Wednesday, Mother's Day ang close mo da COVID testing. And then move to Lomo ra Friday and nga May 22 ra 8 torin mo 11 dori open mar other boy mar travelers. Di ra kol open ra May 21 and nga Sabadong ra 8 torin mo 10 dori ditya nga maldi more ticket travelers. Ya Sunday nga Alzheimer. A testing nga open and more other blue free and di more travelers at 25 tala. Yal suko mong sorry print out tayo result certain and $30.50. Also mga nga karmi, mo ang algor ra COVID hotline ra 488-0555. That's 488-0555. Elang ko sa mayor, ma PNOC, ako nga Marurosel Palau Youth Games, nga mo umura July 1st and mo July 10. Yara clear nga kan sabid participate 6 and mo 19 na clear. Our registration namla open, emom asim ra June 28 ra 4 dori. Yat sumong somi wa more questions, emo tangalom ko dong gani reply, nga diri klolab applications, mong sabilom ko dong ringi. Malubang sabil email ringi ra gani reply@palaunoc.org. Maluay say, yagay kita ko announcement ito del alsils. Ako man masulang ang netunin na TMC and congratulations sa mga class of 2022. While you're enjoying, please drive safe and buckle up. Mawag next.